If I told you I made an extra $3,000 a month by selling products and videos on Amazon.com. I know it sounds crazy, but I'm living proof that it works. In this video, I'm gonna show you the step-by-step process how I'm making over $3,000 a month with Amazon video influencers. I'm gonna reveal the secrets of actually creating the video and how simple and easy it is to do so, how to get signed up and put a workflow in place so you can grow this business. Most of the videos that I posted, from 0 to 50 videos, I did not show my face at all. Right now, I have over 600 videos live, and that's just to give you an idea of the consistency that I put in place for myself. I've been doing it for 1 year and 4 months already. So when I heard about this opportunity, I just jumped on it. Before we get into the content, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Now, when it comes to Amazon video influencers, one of the things I recommend is Fluentfruit. This is the best research tool on the market. So think about it as it's going to help you do research to grow your business from 0 to 500 to 1,000 to 2,000 to 3,000, whatever your goal is with your business, to pay your car payment, to put food on the table for the family. This is going to help you get research done faster, find winning products with no competition. And that is the goal when it comes to any of this. You want to find products that have very little competition or no competition at all, so you can be that #1 video spot on the listing and get all that traffic and get those sales going. It's gonna be a big game changer, understanding that this tool can make a big difference and a big impact on your business and more. Fluentfruit link's gonna be down below in the description. And what I'm talking about in this video is Amazon video influencers. If you're unaware of this, basically what it is, you build your storefront, and then you start creating videos from products on Amazon.com, and then you tag those videos. Customer watches them. If they make a purchase based off your video, you get a commission from that. Now, but just think about it at scale. When you say you have over 100 videos on your storefront, and then you have customers watching your videos, and then you make 50 sales a day, 30 sales a day, 20 sales a day, 100 sales a day, $1, $2 a day, $50 a day, $100 a day, right? Think about it that way. It's a really big opportunity right now, and if you haven't signed up for it, it's free, and you do not want to miss out on this. Now, in order for you to get approved with Amazon video influencers, you have to have over 1,000 followers, and this can be all your social media platforms, and you have to be active on there. That's what they want to see, and for the most part, once you have all that, you will get automatically approved. I've had a few people that actually followed me and they did the same exact steps and they got approved. Now, keep in mind, as time goes along, things may change, which is very interesting, because as the platform starts to grow and people come onto the platform and learn more and more about the platform, increase the following in order for you to get approved, or have some type of stipulation for you to get approved. It's a really, really awesome opportunity. One of the cool things too, they let you set up your storefront. So when you start to create content as an influencer, you could create videos and then you can create posts on the back end back there. So think about it as your own social media platform, social media profile on Amazon.com. Next would be, think about creating the video. It's very, very simple, right? Let me break this down for you. Let me show you an example of a video. This is a product that I researched, which that video link is going to be right up there. So check that out. This is how I researched the product and found this trending product idea. Here's an example of how I would shoot a video. Don't overthink this. You can record from your cell phone. You can record from your camera. You can record whatever device that you have that you're going to record from. It's very simple. Don't overthink it. And it's important that you understand that you're focusing on the product. You are not focusing on nothing else, just the product. And maybe just your experience with the product. Remember, just kind of, that's it. But for the most part, the customers just want to see the product. In my opinion, for you as an individual that's starting out with this, just focus on the product. It makes it so much easier, and you don't overthink nothing, just the product, and show them what it is. Like show and tell. Here it is. Check out the product. Look at it. Check out this video as an example. Right here, we're going to have the LMC Sports Foam Football. The color is brown. It's a 7.25 inches. So you get an idea of, the size of it. Look real closely. So you have it's all foam, by the way. And you see like the threading of the white part right there, and obviously the brown color. Get a full 360 view of it. Right. Foam football. Another thing that I recommend too. So now that you have this video, can you take these videos that you're creating, Can you take them over to YouTube? Can you take them over to TikTok? Can you take them over to Instagram? There's a lot of video influencers online that create, viral videos and show you unique products online, which are really, really cool. And I think that if you do that, right, it's going to create more opportunity for you. It's going to obviously open up the door for you to have some type of brand deals with certain brands. I have had brands reach out to me about creating different videos for them, right? So it's really, really cool, really awesome opportunity for you to, obviously grow and build a following on a social media platform and bring that brand awareness, which other brands that would want to work with you see that. It's easy for you to talk to them and close deals. Some of the don'ts, right, when it comes to any of this stuff, Amazon's very strict about, if you're creating a video and you show like a shipping label, they do not want you to see no type of addresses inside of a video. If you're creating a video for somebody, they do not want you to put any type of license plates. Keep that in mind, no license plates, anything like that. They're just trying to make you focus on like just that one product. Now, if you're making like a comparison video, that's a little bit different because you're going to be talking about two videos and tagging the product. And it's important that you tag the correct product. You do not want to tag an incorrect product. That's a big no-no on their end. They don't like that at all. Just make sure that you're following the rules and try to play by the rules as best as possible. That's one of the main things. Understand the rules before you start uploading any type of videos or any type of products onto the platform. So it's important that you understand that. Think about when you're creating the video and you're done recording the video, the title and the tags are obviously the tag has to match the product, and then also the title of the product. It's pretty much up to you, but I like to be a little bit creative when it comes to creating different titles. I like to have fun with that. It's one of my things I enjoy doing. So think about how the customer is going to read the title and will they click on it. Now, when it comes to creating a custom thumbnail, when I first started, I started making a lot of custom thumbnails, which is basically a custom thumbnail of that product. And as time started to go on, I was like, you know what? Let me let Amazon generate these thumbnails. When I upload the video, Amazon automatically creates a generated thumbnail for you. It's pretty easy for you to move on to the next video once you let Amazon do it for you, basically. And I've been seeing the same results for me personally when it comes to this. And that's why I'm just going to let Amazon generate the thumbnail for me. And that way I can focus on the next product. Now, something that I definitely do want to test out again is creating customized thumbnails. And these are pretty simple to create. You can create them inside Canva. You can create them inside your cell phone. There's a few apps out there, editing apps, that you can obviously create different types of thumbnails with. It's pretty simple. If you just want to work from everything from your phone, you can create like a Google Drive and start uploading everything to like a Google Drive or a Dropbox. And that way you can just record from your phone and upload to a Dropbox and then, edit videos and stuff like that. Now, when it comes to editing the videos, there's a very, very popular one out there. It's called CapCut. It's very simple to edit videos inside of there. Me personally, I use a software called Filmora. It's a very simple one that I use. And it all comes to personal preference when it comes to this. Not one size fits all. Just think of a video editing software that you can use. Some people I know, they don't even edit their videos. Just upload them as is. They just hit them with that first take and upload the video. Now, it's up to you when it comes to this. Me personally, I like to edit the video and try to clean it up a little bit as best as possible and get that video up there. My goal is to get straight to the point with the value in the product and show as much as possible. Now, certain products, they do not have too much information to talk about, and there's nothing wrong with that. Get in, get out. Get that video done, get that video recorded, talk about it, and out. Next is getting a really good workflow in place for yourself. And some people are like, well, I can't afford to invest into buying new products. Now, if you shop on Amazon already, Amazon.com, most likely you're going to have a ton of back orders that you can just literally go back into and review all those orders. And most likely, if you have over 100 products that you have ordered on Amazon, most likely you can probably make $100 a month pretty fast by doing that. And I want to say you're most likely going to make more than that if you do it correctly. This right here, you're going to leverage that to reinvest into your business. Now, that's one thing when it comes to understanding that. It's very, very powerful because you're creating a stream of income to help you buy new products so you can do reviews on. And keep in mind, all these are tax write-offs because you're using them for your business to create content. Let's say that you do not order on Amazon. The next thing that you can do is obviously start reaching out to different brands, stuff like that, or even join some of these Facebook groups. There's brands out there there that will actually post stuff into these Facebook groups looking for influencers, right? Now, this is all up to you and how you want to do this. Everyone's going to be different when it comes to this. There's no one size fits all. They look for women influencers. They look for men influencers. One more thing too, there's a few different video types that you can create. They have like a horizontal and then a vertical video. The horizontal video, one of my favorite videos to create, but now the vertical video, it's actually getting pushed to a platform on Amazon.com. I'm not sure if you got the update on your app. It's called Inspire. I did not even know about that until I started creating some of these videos, and then I started seeing my own personal videos pop up on Inspire, which is really, really cool because Inspire is like a form of TikTok, right? But for customers to find new product ideas. And I think that's really awesome. That's one way you can do it. So if you have one product, you can create a horizontal video and a vertical video. Now, when it comes to this, you have to, I feel like you have to put more of a flip on it when it comes to creating this type of content, because you do not want to spam the platform. You do not want to do that because that'll be that'll be against the rules, I feel like. So they don't say really anything too much about that, but it's important that you do not spam the platform. The goal is to create really awesome content about these products and help customers make a better buying decision. Just like I said, talk about the product, show the product. That's all you have to do. Don't overthink it. Now, if you want to learn how I do research, watch this video right here, and that's going to make all the difference in your business to scale it to that level where you're doing over $1,000 a month.